right beside a motorcycle shop.
You can just tell me, Jane, I'm going to the motorcycle shop.
Well, we need a... Do you want to get a clutch bell before we leave, or just leave it as is and call it good?
Do you want to ask them if they have a clutch bell and how much it is?
My hesitation here, while you're thinking of men's guys, slow on thinking, what are the chances of me walking over to that motorcycle shop and ask if they know where I can get a clutch bell balance? That's my main question. And if no, then I need to see if I can find a stock clutch bell. Question for you. You speak English? A little bit of English? Do you know where we can get a clutch bell balance for Aerox V1? Question. Any place in Roxas that can balance clutch bells? Clutch bell balance.
Clutch bell balance.
Yeah. Aerox. When they had the bell grooved, it wasn't balanced. So now there's an oscillation vibration between certain as you accelerate. Oh. Cheap replacement stuff, clutch bell, or to have my groove clutch bell balance either way. The one that we picked up from like I have the photo, they grooved it, but they didn't balance it, so as you drive, you can feel an oscillation vibration through the red ring that when you lightly accelerate, I started suffering words, but you can feel at the point you can just detach the oscillation.
If you want it right now?
No, not right now. I'm just curious because there's one of two options. Either I buy the cheapest clutch bell,
yes,
and just get rid of the problem,
then
or
what brand do you need to purchase?
it was just a stock bell. When I was in Keg Island Auto, they sold me a stock clutch bell that was grooved. They said, "Oh, it's better." Oh, okay, I went for it.
Yes.
I went for it, but as I was driving back to here, there's an oscillation. They didn't balance the clutch bell.
Okay.
So as you drive, it goes. You can feel a vibration.
You did you heard some unusual sound, like it is dragging sound.
No, not
Not dragging.
You don't hear it.